What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is dropping. How low can it go? Is it over? No, it's not over. What's causing it? We'll take a look at some of the things that could possibly a few things that are causing this. Okay, we're gonna take a look at ETF performances too, and then we're gonna finish it off with Memecoins, because honestly, Bitcoin can drop more, but I think we're still headed toward the parabolic part of a bull run. We've been in a bull run. Okay, this has just been a very long, all year long, basically sideways consolidation. But that means to me that next move up is going to be huge, sometime after the rate cut. So we're going to discuss as much of that as we can. But because of that, I think one of the things that you should look at are meme coins, because meme coins can make people a lot of money. So we're going to look at the chart of Doge, Shiba Inu, Pepe, okay? And then I'm going to tie it in to the meme coins of today that you could probably want to pick up big time, like Miggles. All right, Mr. Miggles. And so without further ado, let's do this. Bitcoin right now is dropping, okay? Let me just get these two things out of the way first, okay? Bitcoin's price dynamics are once again in the spotlight due to recent developments in the U.S. labor market. The unexpected miss in job growth figures has sparked speculation that the Federal Reserve might adjust its interest rate policy sooner than anticipated. This has immediate implications for Bitcoin as the market reacts to potential shifts in monetary policy, which historically influences investor behavior in the crypto space. With the price dipping and now hovering around key support levels, Bitcoin might be poised to retest the 49.5K mark. This level is crucial. A significant break below could signal a bearish trend, while stability or a bounce back could reinforce investor confidence. As we observe these movements, the broader economic indicators will play a pivotal role in determining the direction of Bitcoin's journey in the coming weeks. Okay, I'm gonna add this as well, just so you kind of get some color. In today's financial landscape, Bitcoin and Ethereum face significant price declines due to multiple macroeconomic factors. A key driver was the impact of the yen carry trade unwinding, where the yen surge against the US dollar led to a sell-off in riskier assets, including crypto. Additionally, the US stock market crash earlier this month further catalyzed these declines, and the Bank of Japan's recent interest rate hikes added to the downward pressure, signaling more potential rate increases if economic conditions permit. This complex interplay of factors suggests continued volatility for Bitcoin and Ethereum, with potential further declines if macroeconomic pressures persist. All right, little things to know. Part of what's causing this drop: inflows and outflows of Bitcoin ETF. Now, and the yellow part right here is the price of Bitcoin. Okay, now do the ETF inflows affect the price going up, or does the price going up affect the inflows? I used to think just the price and then affected inflows, but sometimes inflows can affect the price too, okay? Or outflows, okay? I think it goes both ways. I think it's fluid like that, okay? So obviously there is a correlation. They affect each other, okay? We could say that. And recently, 6 days in a row of red, okay? So, and that's another reason why we've been dropping. But that doesn't last forever, as you can see here. While we have days in a row of red before, then it's followed by a bunch of green days in a row of green, because people want in on Bitcoin. Believe me, people want in on Bitcoin. You see it. I see it all over the place. I can't stress it enough how bullish I am. I am extremely bullish. All right, and as you see this, it's just opportunity knocking. 55,943. But sometime after September 18th, okay, could be a few days, could be a few not a few months. It could be into October. You know. Maybe even late October, but sometime October, November, December. After that first rate cut, I can see this market start going up and start moving up. That last parabolic part of the last part of the bull run, which is the parabolic part, the bull market, the parabolic part, which is the bull run, and up only basically for a year, and that is coming extremely soon, guys. So this honestly is opportunity. I don't think this is going to turn over and just die. There's just too much interest, and that's why I don't think it's going to come down here, although it has before. But look at that huge wick. There's tons of buying going on right here. If it goes down this people are just wetting their whistles to have this happening. Obviously, all the other factors that I mentioned, all the other things that have, like the yen carry trade, the other macroeconomic factors, a lot of it are pushing it down. Bitcoin is staying pretty strong, guys, and it's going to be resilient, and it's going to stay damn near close to 58,000. I don't think we're going to come down here, but if we do, okay, so what? I would expect then at that point to be a V-shaped recovery, and I would still expect at the end of the year Bitcoin to be between 80 and 100,000. Okay, I don't know exactly what's going to happen here, but I do have a general idea if they pan out that we're going to go higher, that we are going to go higher. All right, so that's that. Keep that in mind. All right, no worries there, guys. Let's look at others real quick. Others, surprisingly, or to nobody's surprise, maybe we do come down here, so we do have a little bit more to go. 168 billion market cap from here. Maybe we lose it a little bit like that, you know, but I don't think we lose it completely. And I think eventually we come back. And I think once we break through this, we are going to move up, whether it's above this line or below this line. Once we break through this descending line, we are going to move up in a big way. We are getting very, very close. Just position yourselves as good as you can. And if you were like me, you didn't believe in meme coins too much. You thought, what a joke. But are they really? I don't think so. I think now every portfolio should have exposure to some type of meme coins play. Depending on your risk profile, you should have more or you should have less. So let's take a look at Dogecoin. Okay, I want you guys to take away this. There's a pattern in these on how these meme coins do. Okay, there's a pattern. Consolidation, little pumps right up, and then consolidation, sideways going down, doing nothing, and then boom, explosion. Look at Doge, exploded. This is 2014. Doge is actually a very old token. Is it 2014? Well, I guess one of the first tokens, I guess, right? Anyways, a coin. Look at those years and years and years of nothing, and then they just exploded. Look at the market cap on Doge on that explosion. $69.57 billion, guys. $1 billion on a freaking meme coin. Okay, Doge. But I want you to see the pattern: sideways, little bumps up, and then explosion in a bull market. All right. Let's look at Shiba Inu. Sideways consolidation. I could have bought around here. I knew when it came out. I didn't. I don't know why, but I didn't. I didn't pay attention. I didn't like meme coins really. Although I got into SafeMoon. Anyways. Pump, initial pump, then the jump, consolidation, and then boom, in a bull market appear. What was the market cap? Yeah, 37. Let's do that. Yeah, 37.81 billion. Okay, 37.81 billion dollars for Shiba Inu at the height. Okay, in market cap, guys. Let's look at a newer one, Pepe. And Pepe is actually today. I had a conversation with a buddy. What's up to my boy Ash, doing his thing. I had a conversation with a buddy. He was like, I got in Pepe early. I'm like, really? How did you know? And he told me the story that he went to, I think, Miami, and they were having a conference there, and he saw Pepe all over the place. And he's like, I'm going to buy Pepe. And his buddy was like, no, don't buy Pepe. So he only put in a little bit. But I thought that was interesting. There are ways to tell which one. And he said, and he's like, oh, yeah, they could have, you could tell that this one was going to be a winner. All right. And yes, aside from looking at the charts, you could tell by the team, you could tell by the community, you can tell by how much money they have to throw at this, what they're able to accomplish, guys. All right, you can tell this one might be a winner. All right, and let's finish up with Pepe here. Pepe's slightly different, okay, because it hasn't really had a bull run yet, right? May 23rd, I think, came out. Little pump, initial pump, right, and then just dump sideways, boom, 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 into 2024. May 2023, yep, into 2024, and then it started going up, right? 24th February, March with the market, and then it peaked out. Now again, this is just the run up, the bull market run up, right? They're off of the lows, so it's not even a bull market yet, and it got as high as, what's the market cap? $7 billion, 7.2 billion in market cap, guys. Okay, and it's not at a bull run, so I can imagine this thing and just go boom, parabolic into the 50, 60, 70, 80 billion dollar range, guys. All right. I don't know it too much. I don't follow it, but my buddy did, and it got me thinking. I'm like, oh yeah, I should go make a video about, you know, what I've noticed on these meme coins. And what I've noticed is that pattern. Okay, the huge dump. I mean, the big pump at first, or maybe not much of a pump, right? And then just sideways, and then boom, another pump. Sometimes a couple of pumps, and then boom, in the bull market. If it's a good project, it's gonna go high, extremely high. I don't know why. Meme coins don't even have utility. But does anything in crypto have utility, including Bitcoin? Including Bitcoin, really? Store value. That's the utility. I mean, So subjective. Anyways, that doesn't mean anything. Eventually, I think the utility will come. But right now, it's just about making money. All right. And if meme coins can make you money, then I say do it. All right. So you see that. I hope you see that. And looking at these projects, actually, let's look at Miggles now. Actually, let's look at Miggles here. As Miggles drops, I think it's at a good price. Okay. Let's look at this chart. So what can we expect based on what we just saw? Okay. We could expect a sideways consolidation. We can expect it to drop even more, right? We can expect it to lose this area, to lose this, and maybe even drop below this low, right, of 0.013, all right? It's definitely possible. I'd be nibbling right now. I'd be buying right now at this price. This is a great price. You get almost 6,000 Miggles for $100, right? But maybe we lose it. If Bitcoin continues to drop, and it spends like September dropping, then I could see us dropping, fading down. I don't know if we lose a penny, but we might. It wouldn't take away my belief in the project. It would just be an incredible buying opportunity. Okay. And I would hope that I had capital to put in there and wait while it, eventually finds its floor, and goes sideways for a while. But I think this one, once it starts going sideways, once everything starts going crazy, which I think it will, Miggles is going to explode. It is on the base chain. Base chain is going to explode. It's a meme coin. Meme coins, as we witnessed, can explode, especially the top tier ones. And I think Mr. Miggles has it in it to be a top tier one. Okay. If you don't know, right now, Mr. Miggles is a CTO, a community takeover. Okay. That community takeover is because, and this is what I've been told. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's fairly true, or it is true by a Coinbase guy. Okay, Coinbase guy. But because of a conflict of interest, that Coinbase guy couldn't hold on to it. So what did he do? Give it to his buddies, who are apparently very well versed in business, also very connected. Obviously, right? Like attracts like. These people are in their own circles, and they have a winner on their hands. Okay, Mr. Miggles. Okay, and so these guys, with money, they got money. They put over 300,000 into this project already, and you could tell because they're on everything. They're everywhere. And if you don't know about Miggles, you better know about Miggles. You will know about Miggles very soon in the bull run. I think this thing is gonna run hard, as they say in Massachusetts, this thing is gonna run hard. All right, let's look. I think 20 billion market cap. All right, what would that put a Miggles at? 23.8 billion, let's say. $24. So 20 billion with something like 22 bucks, $22 per one right now. That's at 1,258x, guys. People are looking for 1,000x. There it is. If it can get to 20 billion market cap, and I think it could, because I think this parabolic bull run is going to be huge. All right. As we keep dropping. Yeah, so let's see if we drop below here. I think so. I think it's going to be a good time to buy. Let's see if we can break through here. Come down here. Maybe the support at 0.013. We'll see. But this isn't done dropping. I think it can drop more. But no big deal. As we saw already, that's just how these things are. But if they have the right team, if they have the right community, if they have the right buzz, and certain characteristics, if they have money behind it, if they have connections, which these guys do, then this thing is gonna explode. All right, there it is. So that's what I wanted to bring to your attention. Let's go back to Bitcoin and see what's going on really quick before people start going crazy, lose their minds. Let's see if Bitcoin, this one from yesterday, the candle from yesterday, it was above here, right? We got in 58, 544. We couldn't keep it. All right, so that's why I think, maybe we could do something like this, and we could kind of be right here for a little bit, a couple of days, maybe into next week. We'll see. Saturday and Sunday, I don't know much happens, but it'll be interesting to see if we can reverse course in the weekend, right? Into the weekend and be above 58,160. That to me would just cement it that February is probably going to be just playing around here. Remember, we only have to be above 60,000 to have a green. I'm sorry, not February, September. We only have to be above 60,000 to have a green September, and everyone's saying that we're going to have a red September. It could be manifest destiny. Okay, so we could have a red September, but we just have to be below 60,000. 56,000 is below. Right? I wouldn't be too worried right now. Okay, everything I think is looking like it should. Maybe it's just the final bit, the final shakeout, the final whatever. The market is still waiting. The market is still waiting for that rate cut. I think Bitcoin is waiting for that rate cut. The markets are waiting for more money to be put in the system, and more money will be put in the system. And when that happens, it's good for risk assets, good for Bitcoin. And I think we are going to see a huge parabolic bull run, guys. All right, so keep that all in mind. Don't forget about the chart of the meme coins. Okay, pretty interesting stuff, I thought. And the charts of the meme coins, pretty interesting stuff. Definitely take a look at Miggles. Miggles is definitely one to watch. There are other projects I think that they have a lot of potentials. But we'll talk about that in the days that come. All right, guys, leave it there. If you can, please subscribe. Please leave a comment. Please like. Yeah, give a like too. I'm trying to grow this channel, and really all that stuff helps. All right, so please do all that stuff, man. Let's get to at least, like, I don't know, a respectable number, like 1,000 subscribers. All right, that's respectable, I guess. I don't know, 5,000, 10,000. Not too much to ask. Subscribers. So let's see. Tell your friends. Tell people. All right. This guy knows what he's talking about. This guy's good. He's putting Miggles in our faces. He's telling us about Miggles, and well, you'll see when it's at $20 billion market cap in 2025. Told you so. All right. Well, that said, thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.